Welcome back to Tecnoguías. In this video, I am going to show you how you can send mass messages through WhatsApp. The first thing we are going to do is go to our WhatsApp application. Okay. Here, and once we are here, today we upper right corner 3 lines appear and press in new broadcast. Okay, here it can also appear that why only the contacts will have your number saved in their contacts book will receive your broadcast message. That will be all. You can select almost two, and we can see it's form group that not is a group, but as mass message. That will be all, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to tell us what you thought of it, and for more videos subscribe or Tecnoguías.